Action. Lights, camera, action.
Hi there, staff. I'd like to welcome you to our digital learning recording studio. I'll take you on a tour inside, and with me is my colleague Byram.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone.
As we go into the room, you'll notice that the door is blackened out. When you see a blackened out door here, it means you can't enter. But when you see this sign change to that, please don't enter because there's a recording in progress. Now let's go inside. As you enter this room, you'll see it's very, very different from what it used to be. This here is the recording area. This is where the videos are shot against the green screen. And we have professional lights. We have a professional mic and further lights right around here to make the appearance a good one. And this is where the main video will be taking place. Now, you don't have to do your recording at the spot whenever you want to. You can also do it at home. And if you want to borrow a green screen from the school to take home, you can. We have portable green screens here. And Byram will just show us one of them, which is one of the larger portable green screens. Very easy to operate. There's a catch there. Lift it up. There you go. Easy as that. And then there's a smaller one, which may be better for some of you. So you'll find all you need to do is just assemble the strap. Place it in there, and then lift up. And there you have a portable green screen which you can use at home and obviously bring back to school. I must also advise you that these things are not child-proof. In this corner we have the editing suite where the videos and so on are filmed and edited to make them into quite an eventful occasion. And here we have another exciting part of the recording studio, and this is the podcast area. In the podcast area, this is where you can really do thematic stuff. You can be a podcast person, or you could be a DJ. You can do whatever you want to do and make it as exciting as you want to. There you go. That's excitement for you. Living it up. There is also a green screen at the back. So in your podcasts, you can also have videos playing at the back if you want to insert it into your video. So you have a podcast, you've got a green screen, you've got a green screen video, you've got portable green screen, and you've got an editing studio right there. You've got a full suite of digital facilities available for anyone who wants to come and do a video and enhance their learning in this digital learning recording studio.